Hello children, how are you all? Today, once again we are here. Yes, before this what we had learned? I know, you all are good children and you must be remembering it, right? Yes, first lesson we learn about correct alphabets. Now tell me, how many alphabets are there? Yes, good. There are 26 alphabets. And second lesson we learned was about vowels. How many vowels are there? Can anyone tell me? Yes, correct. There are 5 vowels. How many vowels are there? Good. There are 5 vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Once again children. A, E, I, O, U. Now tell me, which is the first vowel? Can anyone tell me? Yes. Come on, say, you'll come to know. A. Okay, very good. So, which is the first vowel? Yes, very good. A. So, now, all of you look here. So, today, we are going to learn words with A sound. Which sound, children? A sound. All of you look on the board. Okay. Now look here. What it is written? Yes. Come on, say A-T, at. All of you. A-T, at. Once again. A-T, at. Okay. Now look here. Can you see this word? What is this? What is written here? See, look here. Correct. A-T, at. And can you see that initial sound in front? Yes. Which sound is that? Can anyone tell me? Correct. C. Which sound is that? C. So, when at is there and we add initial sound C to it, what it becomes? Yes. Correct. C-A-T, cat. Come on, all of you say C-A-T, cat. Again repeat children, C-A-T, cat. All of you have seen cat, right? Yes, very good. Now, look at the next word. What is that? Okay, you just have to say this rhyming word. What is that? Correct, A-T, at. Okay, now look in front. Which initial sound is written there? Can anyone tell me? Correct. H. Which initial sound is that? H. So, now what it is? Correct. H-A-T, hat. Just now you saw, no, hat. What is this? Correct. Hat. H-A-T, hat. Right, children? Now, look at the next word. Now, first of all, you are going to say rhyming sound. What is that? Correct. A-T, at. What is that, children? A-T, at. Very good. Now you look here. Initial sound. What is that? Yes, come on. All of you have to try. Very good. M. What is that? M. So now what is that word? Come on, all of you repeat after me. M-A-T, mat. What is that, children? M-A-T, mat. Now tell me, what is mat? Yes, what we put down on the floor. Yes, children, that is mat. Okay. Now, again, come on, say the rhyming word. What is that? A-T, at. Very good. Now, what is the initial sound over here? Come on, yes, very good. R. Which sound is that? R. So, what is the word now? R-A-T, rat. Once again, R-A-T, rat. All of you have to repeat, children. Come on. R-A-T, rat. All of you have seen rat, right? Yes. Sometimes it comes inside our house, right? Correct. Now, look at this rhyming sound. What is that? Yes. A-T, at. What is that, children? A-T, at. Very good. Now, look at the initial sound. What is that? Which sound is that? Come on, say. Correct. S. What is that? S. So when we add initial sound S to it, which word it will be? Yes, S-A-T, sat. All of you repeat, children. S-A-T, sat. Okay. Now tell me, what is the meaning of sat? Yes, when we sit. So we say we sat on the chair, right, children? Good. Now look at the rhyming sound. What is that? A-P, app. What is that, children? A-P, app. Now, can you see here, children? Rhyming sound. What is that? Correct. A-P, app. Now look here in front. Which initial sound is there? Come on, say. Correct. C. Which initial sound? C. So which word is that? C-A-P, cap. All of you wear cap, right, children? You wear cap, no? Yes. When we go out in sun, we wear cap and go, right, children? So C-A-P, cap. Okay. Now look here. Which rhyming sound is this? Yes, correct. A-P, app. All of you say, children. A-P, app. Very good. Now look at the initial sound. Yes, correct. What is that? Yes, good. G. What is that? G. So now which word is that? G-A-P, gap. What is that? G-A-P, gap. Okay. Tell me, what is gap? Yes, when there is a place between two things, we say it is a gap, right? Now again look at the rhyming sound. What is that? A-P, app. All of you repeat, children. A-P, app. Now tell me, which initial sound is there in front? Correct. L. Which sound is that? L. So what is that word? L-A-P, lap. Yes. Many times you like to sit in lap of your parents, right? In lap of your mummy or your daddy, right, children? So L-A-P, lap. All of you repeat. L-A-P, lap. Very good. Now once again, look here. Which rhyming sound is this? Correct. S-A-P, sap. What is that, children? Come on, say. S-A-P, sap. Okay, and which initial sound is added? S. So what is that? S-A-P, sap. All of you repeat. S-A-P, sap. Very good. Now look here. What is the rhyming sound? Yes, A-P, app. Now, which initial sound is there in front? Correct. T. So what will be that, children? T-A-P, tap. All of you repeat. T-A-P, tap. Okay, you know what is that? Yes, when we put on the tap, what will come out? Correct. Water. Yes, very good. Now, after this, all of you look here. Which rhyming sound is this? Yes, A and N. All of you repeat, children. A and N. Very good. Again we can see rhyming sound here, right? A and N. All of you repeat. A and N. Now look here. Which initial sound is there? Correct. C. What is that? C. So what it will become? C, A and can. All of you repeat, children. C, A and can. Very good. Now look at the rhyming sound. What is that? Correct. A and N. All of you repeat. A and N. Okay. Now what is the initial sound there? Yes, come on, tell me. F. Which sound is that, children? F. So what it will become? Correct. It is F, A and fan. What it will be, children? F, A and fan. Okay. Now look here. Which rhyming sound again? Correct. A and N. Now, what is the initial sound? Yes, am. What is that? Am. So what it will become, children? Am, A and man. All of you repeat. M-A-N, man. Once again. M-A-N, man. Yes. Now, look here again. Which rhyming sound is this? Correct. A and N. Again children. A and N. Now, tell me, what is the initial sound here? Correct. P. What is that? P. So, what it will become? P, A and pan. All of you repeat. P, A and pan. All of you have seen your mummy cooking in a pan, right? Yes. P, A and pan. Now, again, look here. What is the rhyming sound? Yes, correct. A and N. What is that, children? A and N. Okay. Now, look there. What is the initial sound? Yes, come on, try. Right. R. What is that? R. So, what it will become? R, A and ran. Okay, when we run, right? Ran means we ran fast. Yes. R, A and ran. Okay. Now, which rhyming sound we have to see? Correct. A, M, M. All of you repeat. A, M, M. Now, again, repeat the rhyming sound. Yes. A, M, M. Now, see the initial sound. What is that? Yes. Correct. It is D. So, what it will become, children? Which word? All of you repeat after me. D-A-M, dam. All of you repeat, children. D-A-M, dam. Okay. Many of you have been to dam, right? Yes. What you see there? We see water. Correct. Now, this is your favorite. First you tell me the rhyming sound. What is that? Yes. A-M, am. Very good. Now look at the initial sound. Which sound is that? Correct. J. So now what it will be? Correct. J-A-M, jam. Again children. J-A-M, jam. Okay. In breakfast you have jam and bread and jam, right? Yes, you apply on the bread and you like to eat. Sometimes on the chapati also you apply, right? Good. Now look here. Say the rhyming sound. What is that? A-M, am. All of you repeat. A-M, am. And look at the initial sound. What is that? Yes, correct. R. So what it will be, children? Yes, R-A-M, ram. All of you repeat. R-A-M, ram. Once again, R-A-M, ram. Okay, ram means ship. Yes, male ship. Good. Now, what is the rhyming sound again? Correct. A-M, am. Now, what is the initial sound there? Yes, very good. S. What initial sound we have written there? S. So, what is that? S-A-M, Sam. All of you repeat. S-A-M, Sam. Yes, Sam is a name. Correct. Now, what is this? Again, what is the rhyming sound? Good. A-M, am. All of you repeat. A-M, am. Yes. Now, see the initial sound. What is that? Very good. Y. So, what is that? Y-A-M, yam. Once again, children. Y-A-M, yam. Very good. Now, we are going to learn words with rhyming sound. A-G, egg. What is that? A-G, ag. Okay. Now, look here. This is long you have to say. Okay. It is a. What is that? A. So, A-G, ag. You will say. Okay. You have to open your mouth and say. Now, look at the rhyming sound. What is that, children? A-G, ag. Yes. Now, which initial sound we have had to it? Correct. B. So, what it will become? B-A-G, bag. When you go to school, you take your bag and go, right? Yes. All of you repeat. B-A-G, bag. Once again. B-A-G, bag. Now, look here. What is this? Very good. A-G, ag. Now what we have put initial sound, look, correct, R. So what is that? R-A-G, rag. Repeat children, R-A-G, rag. What is rag? It is a piece of cloth, old cloth which we use for cleaning, right? Now look here. What is this? Yes, A-G, ag. Now tell me, what is the initial sound there? Very good. S. What it is? S. So what is that children? Look here on the board. S-A-G, sag. All of you repeat. S-A-G, sag. Very good. Now again, which initial sound? Yes, first see the rhyming sound. What is that? Yes, A-G, ag. Now tell me, what is the initial sound there? Correct, T. So, which word it will become? T-A-G, tag. All of you repeat. T-A-G, tag. What is tag? Yes, when you buy a new bag, can you see a tag? Price tag will be there on that bag, right? That is tag. Okay, now look here, rhyming sound. Very good. A-G, ag. Look here, A-G, ag. Now tell me, what is the initial sound? Correct, W. So what it will be? W-A-G, wag. What it will be, children? Correct, W-A-G, wag. You know what is wag? Yes, if you have a pet dog and when you go home and that dog is happy to see you, what that dog will do? Yes, it will wag his tail, right? So, W-A-G, wag. Now look here, there are few sentences with A sound. So, what we are going to do? Yes, now we are big children. We know, first we learned about alphabets, right? Now we have learned about words. Now we know to form words. Now we are going to form a small sentence. Okay? So all of you look on the board and you have to repeat after me. Okay. Can you see here? What is that, children? Very good. Cat. Now what is the cat doing? Correct. The cat is sitting. But where is the cat sitting? Can you see something there down? What is that? Yes, very good. That is a doormat. What is that, children? That is a mat. So where is the cat? So what you are going to say? Come on, all of you repeat after me. The cat sat on a mat. Repeat, children. The cat sat on a mat. Once again, the cat sat on a mat. Yes. Now look at the second sentence. Okay, tell me, who are they? Yes, they are kids, small children, right? Okay, can you see? They are wearing something on their back. What is that? Yes, when we go to school, what we wear? We wear a bag and go, right? So, you have to repeat this sentence after me. Kids with their bags. Once again, children, kids with their bags. Again, kids with their bags. Very good. Now, look here. Okay, can you see that boy? Yes, you know his name? No, his name is Hamil. What he is having in his hand? Yes, look here. Very good. Ball. So, what we are going to read? You have to repeat after me, okay? Hamil has a ball. Come on, children. Hamil has a ball. Very good. Once again, Hamil has a ball. Now, look here. Okay, what is this? Very good, right. It is a car. And can you see somebody is sitting inside the car? Yes. Who is sitting? Yes, a man is sitting. So, what we are going to say? The man in the car. Once again, children, the man in the car. So, children, you all have to learn this. And in next class, we are going to do some activities. Bye, children.